Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just received my prize from Doodlebug Design Incorporated and I won this Christmas package. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love Doodlebug. And so let's get started. So this is the Christmas lights. They're shaped sprinkles. Aren't they pretty? Oh, so fun. And we have this doodle pop, and it's the Dear Friends, it's called, and so cute. I love how they pop up. And these trees, I love trees so much, and it's called Merry and Bright. And these are going to be so fun because if you know, I'm on a Christmas team and I have some projects to do. So I'm going to be using this collection. So be prepared to see some fun Christmas cards using this collection. And I love these puffy words. Look how pretty. I just can't stop touching them. And you get like just for you, Merry Christmas, Dear Santa, um, Deck the Halls, and the odds and ends. Aren't these so great? I love these. Usually when I buy Doodlebug design, I always get these odds and ends. So I'm super excited, and you get so many pieces in here. I think it's like 200, oh yeah, 203 pieces. So I'm not going to take every single piece out, but I will show you some, and oh my gosh, I'm just loving these acetate snowflakes. Gingies, oh my god. So I'm super excited for all of these pieces, and I think that's so fun. The Santa with the gingies and the air balloon there. And oh, so cute. I'm just gonna have so fun. So this letter, I was thinking, oh, it'd be great if there's a mailbox, but wait, there is a mailbox in here. These trees, so cute. I love the helicopter, so fun. And Santa checking his list, so hopefully you are not naughty this year. And gifts, and I just love all these fun pieces here. Santa's Toy Factory, the globe. Oh, I'm obsessed with globes too. Just love them. And more acetate snowflakes. So I'm gonna see how many there is because I do hoard. I am gonna hoard some of those. Santa's toys and oh, more gingies. There's a lot of gingies. I think it would have been even cuter. Here's the mailbox. I think it would have been even cuter if there was a gingy and a mug, but that's okay. I can add a gingy to a mug. No problem. Plenty of mug dies. And so cute. The elf on the bike there, or scooter. And so I'm going to put all these pieces away. And luckily I only dropped one. So now let's get started on this 12 by 12 paper pack. And this is so much fun. And it has also a this and that sticker sheet. So and you get 12 double-sided cardstock. So that's just amazing. So thank you, Doodlebug Design Incorporated, so much. I'm so thankful for this kit. And I love all these cut aparts and sentiments. So pretty. And I love the shelves there. So fun. And just everything is just so great. And then you get these pink hearts, which could be for Valentine's Day as well. And then you have all these florals. So there's a great mixture of different designs. I love these polka dots. Huge tags, so that would take up a whole card, I believe. You can fill it up with the Doodle-Pops. I tend to hoard my Doodle-Pops, but I'm gonna have to use these, I think. Look at this gingy paper. Oh my god, it's so cute. Dying over that one. Love, love, love it. And you get these borders. I love the borders. And you get little sentiments on the bottom. You could cut those and use them on your cards. The snowflakes, I love that pretty blue. And I really like these. These are great for scrapbook pages, layouts, journals, And you get these fun snowflakes. And I'm going to go back and read this page here. So, have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there, I went too fast. I don't know. Well, you can pause it or I will try and find it to go back because it was just too fast. I'm looking for it now. Okay, so have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. So great. And this is great for advent calendars, this page here. I don't think I'll have time to do advent calendar this year, but that would be so much fun. Look at all these fun tags. I love the Gingy, of course. I love all of them. Everything's so whimsical and cute. I just love Doodlebug design, and I can't say it enough. And the red polka dots, and I was even thinking of looking through my older Doodlebug just so I don't have to use this collection because it's too cute, but I'm going to use it. And I love those little cut aparts there, and I just turned them around. So I hope you are enjoying this haul tutorial. Here's the last page, the stickers. And I love that scallop. It's just so much fun. And I love the sentiments on here as well. So, and the Gingy. So thank you for joining me today. I had so much fun sharing this collection with you, and be prepared to see some cute projects. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.